We are offering kitten and puppy therapy all day long, today as well as Saturday. We have fee-waived adoptions on 10 of our biggest heartbreaker pets, and also candy and sweet treats and ice cream for all of our visitors.
Oh, well, we saw the ad on the Facebook page and couldn't resist his little eyes, and figured it'd be a good Valentine's present. So,
Animals that are heartbreakers, which are fee-waived adoptions, are labeled with a little heart that says fee-waived adoption. So there are bunnies, guinea pigs, dogs, and cats that fall into this category, and their adoption will be completely free.
We have a puppy at home who is 15 weeks old, and we thought he might need a friend.
The turnout has been incredible. We had a line of over 25 people out the door when we opened this morning, and we expect to have the same thing tomorrow, which is a good thing because we have so many pets available for adoption now and more coming every single day.